Can we create Telegram account with email? Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So the first step is install Telegram. Simply head over to your app store, search for Telegram, and then install the app called Telegram Messenger. After you do that, open it up. Now, after you open it up, this is the initial interface. Let's tap on Start Messaging. And after you tap on it, you will notice that there is an option to enter our phone number. Now, right here, you will see that there is no option to enter our email. So you can check out other few options here. These are the countries. And here you'll need to enter your phone number. There is no option to create an account with our email. So I hope this video answered your question, guys. You cannot create a Telegram account with email. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and bye-bye. Take care.